Hi everyone, again we are with series of practical in that machine learning. Fourth practical regression. In this temperature data set is used. Here we have to use temperature data set. In that we have to apply regression using library function and predict month-wise temperature. Access performance of regression model using MSE, that is mean square error, MAE, that is mean absolute error, R squared matrices. This we have to perform. For that we have to need Jupyter notebook. As I told previously, how to open a Jupyter notebook. In Jupyter notebook we have to find the temperature file, temperature.csv. In that, right click, open in new notebook. So I'll open directly my program file. I'll provide this program in description box in my GitHub link. Kindly check it out. In this we have to import these initial libraries. These are important. Pandas is for numerical calculation. I'm sorry, NumPy is for numerical calculation, Pandas is for processing and data processing. Matplotlib and Seaborn are used for graphical form, plotting form. And BF is data frame that reads all the data set tables, and it shows it all over here. And input data here, X as year, Y as annual, and label has been plot. Here it has been shown temperature plot in India in graphical format. Here X is a year, Y is average temperature, and X shape, it shows the X shape, like X is our rows. Yes, and here it is for that only. Over here we are simply importing some libraries which are important to find a mean. Model has been trained successfully. Here we are using linear regression function. It is the algorithm, yeah. And we will find intercept and predicted. This is the predicted value. This is the actual value. And NP mean absolute, Y predicted. Skitlearn import mean absolute error. Here mean absolute error is find, mean squared error is find, and R square error is find. Hence all the things whatever has been mentioned in problem statement has been done. And here the additional one is to show plot the graph of data set in the regression format. As a regression algorithm shows linear regression, so here there is linear way of representing the graph. Linear is continuous, so it is in one line. This indicates linear regression plotting. For that, here we have used this commands for plotting. Yes, here X label is year, Y label is annual. So X is year, Y is annual temperature. This is a regression plot. Thank you.